close that. So where were we? We were like talking about how this was all kind of going through the channel here, and now we're above the channel. But this last day, June 11, we got closed down here. But guess what? Since I was talking to you, June 12 showed up. And guess what? It is, and I use the Heikinashi, this guy here. I like it because it tells you where the majority of trading is each day. Here's the difference between candles. There's the candles, and but it doesn't really tell you where the majority of trading is. It tells you it went up here, all buyers, sellers, blah blah blah, sellers. But where was the majority of trading for that day? Well, here's the difference. Heikinashi gives me that. Basically, buyers, sellers, sellers, and the majority of trading yesterday was between 95.54, say 95.50 and 97.48 or thereabouts. And the majority of trading today, it opened at somewhere around 96.51. If we look up here, we'll put this right here. It opened at 96.69. And it hasn't, well, the low right now is 92.46, and guess what? It's very close to that. So the high 96 open at 96.69. The high was 96.69. So it's all been so far. Sellers are in control, and look way down here. You see this little red. Really, they're in control right now. So I was going to say, where's Bitcoin going? Well, it looks like right now we're still, I wouldn't take any action yet because we're still in this, there's a channel, it did break out. Let's go to the 4 hour. And so there's the 4 hour, is above this, remember that channel I was talking about? This is a broader view. So most of the trading is in this channel. Dip below, come back up, hit this trend line. This is a strong trend line, by the way, and this is a strong trend line. Broke above, came back down. Hit this one, broke above, but didn't break down. But basically stayed in this whole channel until finally, boom, bang, bang, you know, and tried to stay above that channel. But now it has indeed broken below. And the 4 hour is pretty reliable. Solid sellers here, solid sellers here, and solid sellers here. So now it has broken back down into this channel. So again, what I was going to say on the last video before I got cut off is that I would not trade right now. I would wait till it either makes a decision in this channel, out of it, or in or below it, above it or below it. Now you can take a chance. If it breaks above this channel, you can take it up to about the 10.5, but 10.5 is the number. 10.5, 10,500 is the number that it needs to get above and stay above in order to be bullish, long-term bullish. Up, and from there, we'll look back and see what it would go to from 10.5. Well, let's just take a real quick look. 10.5. If it breaks above 10.5, this is 10.5 here, then we're into another channel kind of. So it's got to break above 10.5 and stay in this channel. It'll probably consolidate for a little bit in this channel. And then if it's a bullish time, it will break above that. And the next move I see is 12.5. It's going to go to 12.5. Okay. Anyway, getting back to today. So it's in this channel again. It broke down to the downside in this channel. Now, if it continues to, let's go back to the 4 hour. If it continues to break down and below this channel, you know, it's broken below the 200 moving average too, right? It was staying above that. It was really trying hard to stay above that, and it did well for a while. But it is actually broken below the 200 moving average on the 4 hour. So it may indeed try to break out of this channel, but it will have support somewhere along this line here. Especially, it will have a tough time breaking through here. Unless we have a second wave of COVID coming up. Ooh, who knows? Yeah. Anyway, so COVID aside, normally I would see it going to the downside here maybe and bouncing off of this once again. And this trend line holding it, and then this trend line acting as support, also causing it to bounce back up into this channel. So we might be in a consolidation period for a little while longer. It's trying to decide. The markets are nervous. They don't know what's going on. Yeah. So unless it breaks below, if it breaks below this trend line here, this one going up here, and it breaks below that for a couple of days, then you're into bears. Then I would take some bearish calls. If it bounces off of this, I wouldn't do anything. I would wait until it at least shows signs that it's staying in this channel and moving to the upside again. And then it would break this channel, this resistance line, and stay there a couple days. And then I would take it. Then I'd be bullish to 10.5. But at 10.5, guys, I would be careful. If it makes 10.5, oh shoot, I moved my line. I have to readjust that again. If it makes 10.5, I would take my profits, or at least take half, and then wait to see if it breaks above that and stays above that. And then perhaps if it gets into this channel, I would do a buy to 12.5. What do we got here? 12.5, 12.3. Pardon me, 12.3. Okay, we'll say 12.3. Yeah. Anyway, there you have it. This is, I got cut off in the last video, so this is just a tag on to finish it. And yeah, this is ClearFX, and I hope this has been helpful for you. Take the information, use it wisely, and happy trading. Have a good day.